The next one is O. Let us read few examples. Open O is the name of the letter. Note O is the name of the letter. Coat O is the name of the letter. Boat O is the name of the letter. More examples are store, float, goat, joke, over. In all these examples, O says its name. Therefore, it is the long vowel. U. Let us look at some examples. Cute. U is the name of the letter. Mute. U is the name of the letter. Fruit. U is the name of the letter. Use. U is the name of the letter. Student. Uniform. To. Tune. Tube. U. In all these words, the letter U says its name. Therefore, it is the long sound. The vowels in every word say their own name. Therefore, they are long vowel sounds. Once again, let us read with clue words. A says acorn. E says eagle. I says ice cream. O says open. U says uniform. Read all the vowels together. A, E, I, O, U. Now let us look at each vowel with its long sound.